we're gonna talk about the issues. We're not really biased. Sobrang subok na subok si Sonet, guys. Hey guys, so in this video, we're gonna be talking about my experience after 20,000 kilometer of mileage ni Snoopy or my Kia Sonet LX80 base model na automatic. So we're gonna be talking about my experiences, the things that I like about it as a new driver. This is my first car and my first time really driving a car. So first, we're gonna talk about the issues. Ayan, maraming nagtatanong sa comment sections about a lot of issues. And pinaka-issues na nakuha ko or at least na experience ko on my car, pinaka-common issue na meron si Kia Sonet if bagong model is yung window niya. Ayan, hindi nagsasara. So may delay. So next month on December, I'll be mentioning it to the maintenance team or service team ng Kia na may delay, minsan di siya nag-open talaga, guys. So it is a common issues for Kia Sonet, but meron siyang solution. So I've watched a couple of videos din kay Kuya JPD Vlogs. Ayan, panoorin niyo din siya, guys. He shares yung experience niya when he encounter issues. So yung sa kanya binalik niya lang sa kasa and then okay na after. And then yung light ko. So yung fog light ko, which is yung daytime running light ni LX80. So ayun. So sa akin bigla na lang namatay yung sa left side na fog light ko. Pero hindi naman siya naging major issue. So hindi ko na din siya parang pinansin masyado. Kasi functionable naman yung car. Safe naman siya. Pero yun nga, ibabalik natin siya sa kasa. So panoorin nyo na lang yung susunod na vlog dito. Also, one more thing. One common issues din that Kia Sonet owners encountered is yung sa headlight. Nagkakaroon ng, or yung sa light sa taas, nagkakaroon siya ng parang fog. So yun, same din sa issues na na-encounter ng ibang Kia Sonet owners is nagagawa siya sa kasa. So yung ginagawa nila, binabalik lang nila and then lalagyan ng parang demoisturizer or something, basta may ilalagay para hindi na siya mag-moist, which is I think common lang siya. So I think yun yung top 3 na common issues. Sa gas, di ko siya masasabing issues sa akin kasi dahil first car ko nga siya, I haven't like really drive another car. So I don't have something to compare yung consume niya. Pero ito, may papakita ko na yung accumulated info niya din. Yes, yung trip niya is nasa 700 plus kilometers na siya. So and 9.3 km per liter. And this car, usually may time na I'll just park waiting sa uwian. So I'll be idle for hours. May time din na I need to idle this car or need ko rin magstay for magpark na nakabukas yung aircon is for 2 hours. So there's a lot of factors to consider when it comes to fuel consumption. But like what I said, I can't really speak for the other cars. So if you guys know someone or you personally have a car that's much more fuel efficient, let me know in the comment section below so that the other people could we could help them to buy their dream cars. But I have a video here, pop ko na lang dyan, on the fuel consumption na meron ako or kinonsume ni Kia Sonet nung pumunta kami Baguio. So from Tarlac to Baguio, Tapos nag-ikot-ikot sa Baguio with that heavy traffic ng Baguio before. So ayan yung fuel consumption niya. Ilalagay ko na lang dyan, guys. So here's a short trip that I had, and as you can see, guys, it's 17 km per liter yung average fuel consumption niya. But it's a very short trip, so there's a lot of factors pa rin to take in. There's no traffic or minimal stop lang. But this is not an expressway, but it's a highway. So, getting back to the video. Ayun, other than that, yun lang siguro yung top 3 na yun. I'm not sure sa iba if meron pa silang issues. If you have a Kia Sonet issue, please make sure to comment down below then, so that the other people that's watching this video that already solved that problem could help you then. So yun, doon naman tayo sa good side, guys. So yun na natin yung negative, kasi we're not really biased. So I'm here for the content that could help you make your decision to buy your car. Then if you're considering Kia Sonet. So marami din nagsasabi na maganda yung design. So yan, for me, it's different. It's not the usual thing. So I like the design, the quality, guys. The quality of interior is sobrang ganda. I've tried to enter different vehicles then to compare and also drive then for a short drive lang, and yung quality ni Kia Sonet is different. Plastic siya, yes, plastic, but it's not the plastic na flimsy. So and also one thing din na medyo for me, di ko alam, downside din siya, yung chair masyado siyang comfortable. Masyadong comfortable yung chair niya, guys. May time na aantokin ka talaga dahil sobrang comfortable niya. So hindi siya yung leather, full leather. So meron pa rin siyang parang cloth leather siya. Pero yung likod ng chair is leather siya. So yung mga nasa likod, alam natin sometimes they put their feet up or nagtatry nilang ayusin yung upo nila and madumi. And hindi siya problem kay Kia Sonet. Comfortable, the design, the visual, it's good, and the quality super good for its price. Ang monthly ko dito is 18.3k, guys. So re-reveal ko na, so that if those people that are asking, ayan siya. Pero minimum down payment lang ang linagay ko, and naka-promo ng time na yon. So I'm not sure ano ngayon, but you could go na lang sa mga kasa natin dyan ng Kia to check out. Free lang naman din, guys. If you want to test drive, so you could really experience it for yourself then. Tapos ayun, siyempre yung gusto ko din sa kanya, yung kinonsider ko rin sa kanya is yung Apple CarPlay or Android Auto niya. It's wireless. For the price, guys, wireless siya. At as a young generation, I know you agree with me that sobrang convenient niya, hindi mo na kailangan isaksak. So yun, pinaka one thing na one thing na gusto ko din. Also, besides from that, is another good thing din na gusto ko kay Kia Sonet is yung cruise control and speed limit niya. So dito kasi sa left side is masaset mo yung cruise control niya. Di lang siya yung automatic na nag-a-adjust based sa vehicle na nasa harap mo, but it's a cruise control, guys. So for the price point nito is wala ka nang katalo, or at least yun yung gusto ko. And yung speed limiter niya, lalo na sa expressways sa Manila, yan sa NCAP, magagamit nyo yung speed limiter. Di kayo mag-overspeed kasi kahit igas nyo siya ng igas, hindi talaga siya aangat ng speed limit na sinet nyo. Pero yun nga, kapag finlore nyo siya, dun lang siya mag-go. Ayun din siguro yung for me, at least for a new driver like me, guys, as young as I am, those are the things that I think for me is ma-highlight ko. And very spacious siya, guys, and we're using this for transport, for carrying things, especially when helping out then sa aming local church. When there's a need to carry equipments. Sobrang subok na subok si Sonet, guys. Sa baha din, guys, sobrang tapang ko lang din. Ayun, share ko na lang din mga additional benefits lang din. Sobrang tapang ko lang, guys, kasi nga parang ang taas ko. Taas yung ground clearance niya. And na-try ko na din siya sa off-road. So I don't suggest to go off-road, pero ayun, okay din siya, guys. Do kahit front wheel drive lang siya. Ayun lang, guys. If I miss something out that you think you really like to your Kia Sonet din, make sure to share na lang din sa comment section, guys. Share your experience, share your things that you want to share din. Share the cars na hindi rin Kia Sonet, guys. We're open here. So yun, as I'm parking to our gym, I'll be going to the gym. Papapet tayo, guys. Ayun, as I'm going to the gym. Thank you, guys, for watching this video. I hope this video is educational, helpful in some ways then. And I'm just here to share my experience, and hopefully to those people that are considering to buy Kia Sonet, naging helpful tong video. Also, ito, as I'm parking, guys, sobrang helpful din ng do lahat naman ng sasakyan meron. Actually, hindi naman siya common, o dapat hindi siya uncommon. So, pero yung gusto ko lang din sa camera niya is kapag nagta-turn left and right ka, nagta-turn din siya. So yun. So full package, guys. Wala na akong masasabi. So guys, thank you for watching this video. I really appreciate it. If you enjoy this type of content, discussing about cars, about careers, about self-improvement, make sure to subscribe in this channel. Also, just a quick reminder for all of us, I'm just here to share because I care. And number one that I want to remind all of us is to honor God in all the things that you do. Thank you, guys, for watching this video. See you on the next video. Peace.